Don't worry, I'm not naked. Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Why am I in a bathrobe? I know, that's probably the first question. Know what? No, it's not morning. It's like 6, 7 p.m. Yes, I'm in a bathrobe. That's okay. I want to show you my skincare routine. So why am I in my kitchen? Why am I not in my bathroom? Because I live in New York City where my bathroom is so tiny, if I set up my camera, set up my skincare, everything would fall in the toilet. That's why we're in the kitchen today, because it's the only way to make this come to life. Okay, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you how to DIY, do-it-yourself spa facial at home with easy products you can get on Amazon or Sephora and make it affordable at home during quarantine. Because you know what, y'all? Skincare is important. You gotta keep that face looking good because eventually quarantine will end and we will be back in the world and needing to look better than ever, or just, decent enough. So we're gonna get to what you need to have your spa facial at home. Okay, y'all? Let's get to work. 1, I like to wrap my head in something like this. I wear a bathrobe because you know what? I'm not gonna put something nice on and get my skincare products and my mud mask all over me. That's a disaster and more laundry than I'm not willing to do. So I'm gonna put this on my head. I'm gonna look ridiculous in this video, but I'm doing it for y'all. I'm doing it to hopefully teach you something new if you haven't learned already, so we can look at my scary face with no makeup right now. Please don't be mean in the comments because I'm making myself vulnerable for you. Anyway, back to it. You start with a clean face. No one wants to work with a dirty face. So I use my cleanser. I will link all the products below, which products I use and how I use them. But for now, Bliss Cleanser. You can use a foam or gel cleanser, whichever works best for your face. We start with that. If you have makeup left, remove it with some wipes. Don't want any junk on your face. Then we get to the steamer. We're gonna steam that face. About 3-5 minutes is good. Hey guys, I just have to say while I'm enjoying this, how I'm so grateful that this little bit of steam can really change so much of how I feel. You want to keep a good distance so you don't burn your face, but it is so relaxing and I'm already seeing the moisture just soak into my skin. So then, after we do that, we can be prepared to exfoliate. I'm gonna use this E-Raw Organics. Not sure if that's how you say it. There's a lot of products here that are also French that I'm gonna butcher because my Rosetta Stone didn't go too well for French. I think I learned 3 words, mainly being, do you speak French, parlez-vous français, and people going oui, oui, and me going no, 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 just kidding, stop right there, stop right there.
Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Me poupou.
So we will exfoliate. I will use this handy little tool, which I will also show you to help me exfoliate, and you can use this product as a mask. Now it's time to use my scrub. So I'm gonna put a little bit with my hands first. I'm gonna get it all over on my face. This is the first time I've used this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and see how this works to exfoliate my face and get rid of all the dead skin cells and everything that's just been sitting on there that needs to go. Okay, and on top of it, I'm going to take this little handy device, which is great, and this is gonna help me exfoliate. I have a great face mask from again, sorry, French, not my language, pardon. I'm gonna go ahead and link it below, but this is a great detoxifying face mask to help with your pores and tighten your skin. We're gonna leave that on for a little bit of time. Don't worry, I'm not naked, but I put on this handy towel thing. I should have put it on from the start, but I didn't want you guys to think I was doing a naked skincare routine video, which maybe that would be enjoyable for some of you. My mask, this clay mask that's detoxifying,
That's all, folks.
Lord have mercy, it's detoxifying. It has hardened up, so now it's time for me to remove the mask. That way I can move on to my next step. I have a clean towel with warm water that I'm using to remove the mask. After that, we are going to use handy cotton How many times have I said how hard it is to form a sentence in quarantine? I'm not getting out enough, talking enough, and maybe one too many wines. And it's not morning, so it's safe to say that wine has been involved in the making of this video. So we will use toner, and we will use a cotton, and we will remove anything excess from the mask or any debris that's been left behind. Let's get rid of it. Don't talk while you have the toner. It doesn't taste good.
I mean, that tastes dreadful. That thing tastes sort of washy and soapy.
After that, I'm going to use the sleep mask, not because I'm going to sleep, but because I don't have a serum in the house. So I'm going to use a little bit of this to be able to glide this device. Holy crap, what is this device, you ask? I'm glad that you asked, class. What a great participating class. This is a RIKA device. So on here you have a cleaning, a nutrition, an anti-aging, an anti-acne, and a massage element. That's great alone. I'm going to be doing the anti-acne on a little bit of congestion that I'm having in the chin and the nose area. And if not, we have our handy tool that I took out of the fridge because I like to keep it cold, the rose quartz roller. Oh yeah, take this in, best tool ever. This is my #1 Ray's fave facial tool. I love this thing. So I will explain more as I'm doing it, but you can roll around your jaw to create more of a contoured jaw. It involves the lymphatic drainage system. Get rid of that, any puffiness. You can use it light on your eyes. It tones and tightens the skin. It's a miracle. It is portable. You can take it anywhere and everyone can afford it. So this is so handy. After I use that, so I got a little bit of oil that I'm going to use in collaboration with my skin cream. This one's Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Cream. My favorite. Phenomenal. Love it. Can't say enough about it. It always feels good and it's gentle on my skin. And we have eye cream. So I do a little eye cream first, my other facial creams. One thing that we missed, but you can do, is this lip scrub, which is great. We can still even do it right now. And just kind of scrub through the lips. We want our lips to be soft. And then this lip mask, which is phenomenal. We can set things also with this beauty elixir. So I do a little eye cream first, my other facial creams, and then mist my face. I think we have it all, y'all. So here's the final facial. Again, this facial would normally cost about $400 if you went to a spa to get it done. So again, thank you so much. Please remember, if you do like my videos, subscribe to my channel and support me in this, and turn on notifications. Let me know what you think. Check out my lifestyle website, www.realwithrae.com, where you can see all my products, Ray's faves of what I vouch for. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see y'all soon. Stay safe. If you have zits in other areas of your face, it's probably the snacks that you're eating. And in quarantine, you know what? We might be guilty of one too many snacks.
Saturday, Sunday,